Mr. Trump said U.S. District Judge Gonzalo Curiel had an absolute conflict in presiding over the litigation, given that he was, quote, of Mexican heritage and a member of the Latino Lawyers Association. Mr. Trump said the background of the judge, who was born in Indiana to Mexican immigrants, was relevant because of his campaign stance against illegal immigration and his pledge to seal the southern U.S. border. Quote, I'm building a wall. It's an inherent conflict of interest, Mr. Trump said. So what to make of that? Joining us by phone is senior legal analyst Jeffrey Toobin. Jeffrey, you've seen the Wall Street Journal article. What do you make of what Trump has said?
Well, first of all, it's clear that Donald Trump has First Amendment rights and he's allowed to criticize judges like anyone else. However, the notion that a judge being of Mexican heritage is a conflict of interest in any case involving a politician who may have interest in Mexico is completely outside the current idea of judicial ethics. You know, African American judges sit on discrimination cases all the time. Catholic judges sit on cases about the separation of church and state. You know, Donald Trump seems to have the idea that La Raza, there are actually two La Raza organizations. One is, in fact, an advocacy group for immigration rights. But that's not the one that this judge is a member of. He's a member of a La Raza, which is simply an organization of Hispanic judges and lawyers that advocates for just sort of, it's more a social organization, like there are Jewish lawyers organizations, Catholic lawyers organizations. It is certainly not a conflict of interest. So, Donald Trump can say what he wants, but what he's saying about this judge is completely wrong under all the current rules of ethics.